Good Monday evening to you. Richard Scott here, your local forecast update. A lot of questions about Tuesday. Could we have some severe weather across Alabama? I think there's a chance there could be a few strong to severe thunderstorms, but overall, the risk is relatively low. Now, here's the update from the Storm Prediction Center. They've got all of central and west Alabama, north Alabama, in the yellow shaded area. That means a slight risk. And from marginal to high risk, slight is number 2 on the threat category if you're keeping up in terms of numbers there. So again, this is low end on the scale, but there is a threat, and I want you to be weather alert for our Tuesdays. We do have the chance for storms becoming strong, perhaps a few severe. And here's what we're talking about: 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. the main window for anything to become strong to perhaps severe. And we're talking about an isolated wind damage. There could be some small hail and maybe a spin-up tornado or two somewhere across central or western Alabama, as there's just enough instability and wind shear to have some rotating thunderstorms that move across the state. And we'll just have to watch radar trends carefully. It could easily be an event where we don't have any issues at all, or we could have a few tornado warnings. Just again, we'll have to keep an eye on radar trends. It's one of those kind of low-end type of threats. Now, there's nothing west of us yet on radar. You got a lot of clouds coming in, but we got to wait a little bit longer for the uplift to get closer to us and the enhancement of moisture to move across central Alabama. So that happens, I think, some of the ingredients for some strong to perhaps a few severe thunderstorms will also bump up just a bit. Now, some of the parameters are kind of mismatched there. We're not talking about the perfect combination of uplift, wind shear, and instability, but again, it is a deal where there could be an isolated severe storm or two over central and west Alabama. Something we'll have to watch. Here's our forecast model, kind of take you time by time. 6:30 in the morning, nothing happening. There's some clouds and some low fog across parts of the area. Then let's go towards lunchtime. We got a big mess of thunderstorms all across western and central Alabama. That moves on through. In fact, by 6 o'clock, this got all the storms out of here. So if that happens, that'll be a fast-hitting event where storms get out of here during the evening hours, but still could have some showers into the day on Wednesday, or at least Wednesday morning. Here's your forecast on Tuesday. Again, no issues early in the morning. Temperatures in the upper 50s, but we do quickly warm up as instability does increase. That's when we start seeing the threat of some stronger, perhaps a couple severe thunderstorms between lunchtime, 3 o'clock, ending again later in the day. Here's your forecast for the next 7 days. Again, some strong storms Tuesday, then a small chance for a storm or two on Wednesday. Risk of that is low, but look at the high on Wednesday. 77. That's incredible for this time of the year. Temperatures get quite a bit cooler on Thursday. Highs back in the low to mid 50s. Lows at or just below freezing Thursday night. And then it warms right back up. This pattern just will not favor a long spell of cold air. It warms back up for the weekend with temperatures back in the 70s.